Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. So we already started lesson 1, okay, and we discussed about ancient calculating devices like abacus, Napier's bone, and Pascaline calculator. And then we discussed about difference engine and analytical engine. Difference engine and analytical engine are invented by Sir Charles Babbage, who is considered as the father of computers. We discussed about generations of computers. Then we discussed about generations of computers. According to the technology used, computers are classified into 5 generations. Okay, first generation computers used vacuum tubes as electronic component, and the punch cards are used to give input and output data. They were very slow in speed and they consume large amount of e- energy and also eject lot of heat, and it had only a small storage capacity. Example for first generation computers are ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, and ENIAC was the first electronic computer. And the first commercially available computer is UNIVAC. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. And second generation computers used both punch cards and magnetic tapes for input and output data, and they used transistors as electronic component. It was faster than first generation computers. Okay, see you can see the picture of magnetic tapes and punch cards. Okay, magnetic tapes and punch cards are used in second generation computer to input and output data. Okay, and in second generation computers they used transistors as electronic component. Okay, this is transistor. And example for second generation computers are IBM 1401 and RCA 501. And next is third generation computer. In third generation computer they used keyboard and monitor, and also used integrated circuits or ICs as electronic component. Third generation computers were faster, smaller and cheaper and more efficient compared to first and second generation computers. To study about fourth generation computer. Present day computers are examples of fourth generation computer. Modern day computers are examples of fourth generation computers. From 1971 onwards, we are using fourth generation computers. And fourth generation computers use keyboard, mouse and scanner to input data, and they also use printer, monitor and speaker for output data. They use microprocessors as electronic component. Microprocessors are also called very large scale integrated circuits, VLSICs. VLSICs. VLSIC stands for very large scale integrated circuits. They are faster, smaller and cheapest among all other generations. Fourth generation computers are the cheapest among all other generations. Okay, example, see this is microprocessor. Microprocessors are very large scale integrated circuits that contain many ICs in a single chip. Microprocessors are very large scale integrated circuits and that contain many ICs in a single chip. See, this is called microprocessor. Microprocessors are used in fourth generation computers. Microprocessors are used in fourth generation computers. Example for fourth generation computers are IBM PC and Apple Macintosh. IBM PC and Apple Macintosh and also HP 9000 are examples of Examples of fourth generation computer. See, you can see mouse, keyboard, separate CPU, monitor, everything here. So, uh, fourth generation computers use keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. to give input, and also use this monitor, printer, etc. to get output. In examples of fourth generation computers are Apple Macintosh, okay, and IBM PC and HP 9000.